Hey, we're gonna learn some combos today from a routine that we're learning at Bretton Hooper's class. They're in our routine, but I'm gonna teach these combos. You can learn them whether you're in the routine or not. All right, so the first, this first combo has hand spins and rolls, and it's a tricky one. It takes some practice, but it is really fun and groovy once you get it. It even has wraps. This is all kinds of complicated. I like with the complicated stuff first. So we come out of a wedgie escalator. Come on. Wedgie escalator. Yes, like this. Let me check, make sure I'm in the frame of the camera. Well, I hope so. All right, and we bring it down with our palm forward. We are going to turn our thumb towards us. Hand goes out, hoop comes out the pinky side, over the back of the hand, back into your hand. Looks like this in real speed. Yeah, it makes the sound too. So from here, we keep our thumb pointed at our shoulder to here. This common comfortable position where our palm is up, our thumb is here, our hand looks like this. Now we are going to use this leverage here, spin it around the back of our pointer finger onto the back of our hand, roll it up to the palm, back to where we were here. So that looks like this. Now we put those together. We come out of our escalator, hand, twist, hand, grab. And now we put the hoop flips. So the hoop flips up and over. So now my hand is facing the outside of the hoop on the outside of the pizza, and the hoop is right in front of me. The hoop is not over here. The hoop is right in front of me. And I roll this up to this side of it. We're going to do outer pizza toss. This involves the whole body. Ugh. We're going to pull this way, up, and let go. There's a tight grip here. If you can tell, I'm struggling to keep the hoop vertical. If you're having that problem too, that's normal. That's why we want to do it fast and not just hang out here. So it looks like this. And we catch with the other hand. Preferably just straight like that, but if we're probably going to catch it like this, but try to keep it all straight. It's like this. And then from here, we find our points, back, forward, and now we've got it loose in our hand here. Back for that amazing trick there. Get my hoop. All right, from the topsies of that, hand spin, behind, around spin, grab it to the outside of your pizza. Throw, catch, back, forward, back, and across. So this hand really has to go. Point as much across your body as you can. And when we catch it out of this, it's probably be awkward at first. That's why we have 3 of these. 1, and by 2, I can kind of get it loosed in my fingers, loosed. And then on the 3rd one is out there. It's so hard to do so. Out there at the end of my fingers as my grip loosens up, and I can let it go across. I'm going to do this real speed and I'll slow-mo it with technology. All that's together at real speed. I've been feeling it since 1966. Now, around the back. So we catch here, palm up, keep the palm up, keep the palm up, lead with your thumb. And then it comes around the back here. Our back of our hand is touching our body, always on body wraps, back of the hand, because that way when you release your fingers, you have even more reach than without them. So we come around, body wrap, catch it with the opposite hand. I'll do that from the back after I finish this. Now from here, we turn our wrist. The hoop doesn't turn like this at all. The hoop slides like this. And it pops out this way. Notice the back of my hands are still towards my body. palms of my hands are away. And now this one is a fakie. I drop it here, I bring this hand back here, and this is what it looks like if I don't let go at all. And then we just grab it here. I'm gonna do this from the back. Turn a little bit this way. Cute kick into knee hooping. All right, let me do that from the back. Boya. Now here, hand spin. Now this spin, get your body out of the way. Grab it down to the outside. Throw, catch, 1, 2, 3, and across. Up and around, palm up, lead with the thumb. Ah, slow motion is hard. Hand spin, down, up, back, forward, back, across, up and around, back of the hand. 1, 2, kick. Kicks now. 6 now. Over now, but I feel it still. Okay, so tips from here. First tip here is do that fast. My second tip from here is really think about your hand and not your body in the spin and in the finish of it, and fast. 1. Think of that as 1 count. 1. Once you can get your hand to grab this, take control of it and get it here. If the faster you can do that, bam. Bam. And I think that this spin is easier when it's in motion, when it's coming off of this motion. It's easier. It really is, right there. Bam. So getting these spins fast helps the whole rest of the combo go smoother. Spin, spin, grab, down. And if you have like that last little spin of mine wasn't very smooth, but I just grabbed it and got it down, that's so important. If this doesn't spin right, it hits your body or something, still get this grab here, bam. And then use your whole body here, bend it down, feel it. My arms weren't long enough on that one. If you can get longer arms and bring them to class, that will help on that move. Bam, bam, back, get it out in the fingertips. Throw across, follow through. Keep your palm up and around. I think we all have that. Palms to the back. Lean it. So my tip on this is to really stretch out those shoulders, reach as far as you can, lean the body. And do like 20,000 of them. Do 20,000 and then keep going until you never drop it. So this is the normal roll here, where we are switching hands, then it's in our left hand. Now from here, that's all we do. And we fake it. And then we grab it here and take it over. Okay, I feel like this video is way too long for that little combo. But that's important with the hands on that. It's really fun, guys. It's really fun. It's really fun. So, I'm promoting Spin Sanity Flow Down right now. Check it out. It's in Michigan. We have a ton of great teachers, judges, hosts, performers. I'm going to start by naming Morgan Jenkins, Lee Jeffries, Grace Good, and Rachel Luss. We have Mike Hayataka. We have so many local teachers as myself who still hit ourselves in the face with hula hoops. But we've got a performance competition. We've got world record breaking. You can break any world record you want. Like this, for instance, the most palm spins is up for grabs for world record. It's measured in half rotations. We have this one. who can do the most continuous revolutions of this. We have a lot of most hula hoops records, which are really fun. If you need hoops, let me know. I have a lot of hoops. If you need any help or assistance or any questions, let me know. That's my bad arm. All right, I'm gonna make another tutorial.